Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Ethereum is the next most popular cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. Although Ether isn't as popular as Bitcoin, its supporters believe it has a tremendous amount of potential. It may be riskier than Bitcoin because it doesn't have the same track record, but high risk could potentially result in higher rewards, too.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Ethereum. 1. Ethereum, ETH. The first Bitcoin alternative on our list, Ethereum, is a decentralized software platform that enables smart contracts and decentralized applications, DApps, to be built and run without any downtime, fraud, control, or interference from a third party.
Let's help you make your mark.
Now, Ethereum or the ETH coin seems to be becoming the next big thing after Bitcoins. It totally makes an investable asset as its value for each unit has soared up to $1,475, which is only after getting multiplied by a recent 25% increase. It doesn't stop here. More increase in its rate is predicted soon.
Let's help you make your mark.
Bitcoin trades flexibility for security, while Ethereum trades security for flexibility. Both are valuable and worth paying for, and both trade-offs are worth making based on the respective rewards. You can use Bitcoin to secure assets that are tokenized and traded on Ethereum.
Let's help you make your mark.
Ethereum is the second biggest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin, it's a decentralized digital currency, which means it doesn't rely on a bank or financial institution. Ethereum expands on Bitcoin's blockchain capabilities, which is why lots of people increasingly see it as a viable long-term investment.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.